2 years ago, I was in search of a new large piece of checked luggage, so I looked over all the reviews and compared prices, and I settled on the Briggs Riley 32-inch TORQ trunk. It reminded me of a classic trunk-style bag, but with a modern twist, so I've put it to the test, and I'm happy to provide a 2-year update on my Briggs Riley TORQ extra large bag. I've also left links in the description if you're interested in purchasing one yourself. First, let me give you some specs on the bag. And has a packing capacity of 114.4 liters. It weighs 13.2 pounds and is made of a durable and lightweight polycarbonate material. The bag has a built-in TSA lock, dual spinner wheels, and a telescoping handle. Now, on to how the bag has held up after 2 years of heavy travel. I'm pleased to report that the bag is still in excellent condition. Despite being checked on numerous flights and exposed to various weather conditions, the bag has not sustained any major damage. The polycarbonate shell has held up remarkably well, with only a few minor scuffs and scratches that are barely noticeable. The built-in TSA lock has functioned perfectly, providing an added layer of security for my belongings. The dual spinner wheels still roll smoothly, and the telescoping handle has remained sturdy and easy to maneuver. One of the standout features of this bag is its packing capacity. The extra large size has allowed me to pack everything I need for extended trips, and the compression panels inside the bag have helped keep my items organized and secure. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with the Briggs Riley TORQ Hard Slide Luggage Extra Large Bag. It has proven to be a reliable and durable travel companion, and I would highly recommend it to anyone in need of a high-quality, large suitcase. While I was in the mood for upgrading my luggage, I also bought the Briggs Riley TORQ Hard Slide Luggage Carry-On 21-inch bag. I'll tell you all about that in my next video and give you the details on how it's been as a travel companion for 2 years. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if you know someone who would get value out of this review or reviews about travel, lifestyle, and shopping, share the link.